The 2021-2023 Hyundai Elantra offers remote start via the key fob. To start, ensure all doors are locked and no keys are inside the vehicle. Press and hold the lock button for 1 second. Then, press the remote start button twice in quick succession. Look for visual confirmation. The horn may honk or the lights will flash. The engine should start within 5 to 10 seconds, running for 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. The key fob uses Bluetooth Low Energy and works within 100 to 200 feet, depending on obstructions. Ensure the key fob battery isn't low, above 50% for reliable activation. If remote start fails, first check the key fob battery. Also, ensure the Hyundai Blue Link system is active. Remote start only works if the car is secure, doors locked, gear in park, and hood closed. A low key fob battery or connectivity issues can prevent activation. Note that aftermarket key fobs might not be fully compatible. Remote start is standard or optional on SECL and limited trims. If you experience software glitches, check for over-the-air updates via the Blue Link app. Some connectivity issues may occur in rural areas.